Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's get wintry with these Snowcone Cupcakes. Start by mixing together half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Use an electric whisk to make it fast. Next, crack in 2 eggs. Whisk it all up. And then add 1½ cups of flour, a little at a time. Then finally, half a cup of milk. And it's ready to spoon into your cupcake holders. Let's bake those at 175 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool and then pipe on your buttercream icing. We're starting with yellow icing in the middle of the cupcake, coating it in orange sprinkles. Buttercream icing, so easy to make. Just butter, icing sugar, and your choice of food colouring. Now red. Lovely. With red sprinkles, of course. And finally, blue. You get a wonderful triple-coloured effect with snowy sprinkles on top. And there you have it, Snowcone Cupcakes.